Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Google Drive on HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. Let's begin. Well, if you came here, you probably know already that you can't really use the app gallery in order to install basically anything Google related, since it has been banned. So, in order to actually install it, we have to use GSpace. If you don't know what GSpace is, don't worry, we have a tutorial on that. It's called How to Install Google Play Store, and after you follow it, you will be able to just open your Google Play Store just like that. It's as easy as just opening App Gallery and installing GSpace. So now in our Google Play Store, we can just search for our drive here, and we can simply hit install Google Drive. And after it's installed, you can simply hit open. And as you can see, now we have our Google Drive here. And keep in mind though that it's still not installed in our device. It's only a copy of it made by GSpace using internet. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.